Hello, what's up everyone? This is me Roland21 and welcome to my Facebook page. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create the most engaging post on Facebook or on your Facebook page. So guys, this is my Facebook page Roland21. If you want to create updates about social media marketing, all you have to do is to like my Facebook page right here. And today I'm going to show you how to create a post on Facebook. So first we have to think about the good content that we are going to post on Facebook that gets a lot of thumbs up. So here on our search engine, you have to type for the how to create a good content on Facebook page post. So here we have a lot of choices. So for now I have to select this one. Just click it right here and wait for a minute for you to while waiting for the net response. So here we have this, but what to do? What to do next? So to make a relevant post, we have to look. I'm going to introduce to you a new way of posting on Facebook by using Canva. Let's start here, Canva. So here in Canva, you can design anything. You can design anything. So if you are new to this, so you have to do first before starting using this. What you have to do is to sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook account. But for me this time, since I have already my account, or this is my account, so I have to start doing a design. So since I am posting on Facebook, so here we have a lot of templates to use as in rather template I have said. So since I'm posting work on Facebook, I have to use this one right here. So I'm waiting for this to respond. Here on template we have a lot of templates to select, but before clicking on that template, you have to make sure that these templates are free. For example, this one. When you place your pointer here, you can see that it is free. And this one is free, this one is free, this one is also free, this one is free, this one is not. And as long as it's not free, you can just click it or use it. Why? Because when you are using a template that is not free, it will cause you trouble. Upon downloading that, you have to pay $1 for each. So this time I'm gonna use this template. So this one I have to use this one. Okay, this is our design. I have to change the color of it and make it my own. I think black. And here we can select green for the leaves, or forest red, and yellow. That's it. I can use it with that. Okay, to adjust it. And this one right here, right here, make it smaller. And this one here, I have to delete that one. And for the one right here. So since I am searching for a content, good content on this, so this is the title. I have to get this one right here and copy this out. Go to my Canva, to my design, and paste it here. So this is since this is too long, I have to change the font size of this and make it 20, 20, let's be smaller. maybe what is it? Uh, from this, I can change the spacing. This one, align spacing. I can change also the font that according to the font, which is ideal face. And this one right here, you have to place the side where did I get this side, this post. I have to copy this one right here and also copy this one here. So again, I'm going to change the font size of that. This is a face. Okay, now the color of this, I want to change it into white to make it more better. And then, of course, for that, to add another text in the heading because I want to put on my name. That is a my name is Roman Tukulan. So here's my name, so I have to change the font of this. I want to make it my preferred font. This is Saliana. And then that I can change the font and just simply reducing it into this one. So this is now my design. So we have to make sure that everything is okay. We'll try downloading from right here. So you can see on one page, you have to select this one. And from this design, if you can add more of that, all you have to do is to copy this down. So since I've copied this down, and all you have to do next is to, if you want to change, if you want to make another design, all you have to do is to change template again, the template that you want, or it depends. It depends on you. If you like this one, or this one, it's up to you. It depends on you how to create your own design. So if you are online right now, you can do this with me. You can follow the step by just simply posting these videos and make your own right there so that we can make it together. But of course, before starting to create, please like my page so that sooner you will receive a lot of updates about this or about social media and everything. So this time I'm going to download this one since I'm only downloading page one. Or yes, this one right here. I will change the font to this. Like that. This one right here. Into this. And this one into that. So everything is fine now. From this you can reduce that. You can reduce the color of this. You can change that into white if you want. You can change that into white. Like maybe it looks better. So it depends on you. So I'm gonna post this on Facebook or on my Facebook page. All I have to do first is to download this one right here. So I'm only downloading page one. So download while waiting for my design. And now go to Facebook. This is my Facebook page. Of course, before posting that one, here we have to create a post right here. So in creating a post, all you have to do is you want to upload the videos, of course, create an album or anything. So I'm uploading photos. So you have to wait patiently because the internet is very slow. It's not working better. But from here, I have to go to downloads. We have here a lot of photos. So this is now my design. All I have to do is to open this one and to add caption in that. So since I'm using a post that I have searched recently on here, so there is the caption of that is from here. I have to take it from here, copy this one right here, and post it. So if you want to learn more, if you want to read more of that, this one, right here, and I will copy the link. So the link, copy this one here, and paste it here. So now I am done with my post. So I have to change, I have to post it on my page and my newsfeed at the same time on the group that I have created. And I have to do is to share it now. So that's the end of my tutorial video for today. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more, please just don't forget to like my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.